We're actually going to Girona. So, Marie, what happened this morning?
And we're on the bus, like, oh no, actually we have to take another train to even catch it. We missed it by 1 minute.
So, I was headed to Girona. This time, Marie would join me. We were gonna stay the night in Girona while exploring Cala Palafrugell in Spain's Costa Brava during the day.
We made it!
We were pretty tired, but 2 buses later, we finally arrived to what looked like paradise. The view was simply stunning, and the crowd wasn't as bad as other beaches that I've been to. Alright, so we finally made it, and we're here at the beach.
So long, but we're here.
Okay, so we just got done with one of the coolest days that I think I've had in a really long time. Yeah, so I think we're just gonna probably head back on the bus. Made our way back. We thought it would have been nice to stay longer here, but our plans had been set, and so we headed back to Girona. This was only the first day of my 2-day trip, and there was still a lot more to come. The next day, we'd be headed into the medieval-looking Girona and its many landmarks that make it one of the most visited cities in Spain. Alright guys, so we are back. What's going on?
It has been really great. It's our last day. It's my last day before I leave, which is sad. I'm sad, but I'm enjoying it. It's so beautiful here. We're gonna check out the old town today. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, it's gonna be Girona, and this is the place that they filmed Game of Thrones, so it's gonna be really, really cool, just to kind of get the medieval feel of the city.
Yeah.
But first, we're gonna go to a bakery.
And it's gluten-free. Yes!
Yes!
Yes.
Let's go check it out.
Okay, bye!
We decided to stay at the Cocollona Hostel for the rest of our stay in Girona. The hostel was quite cozy and they made our stay super comfortable. The staff was amazing and they truly helped everyone. The breakfast was also really good, but Maria insisted we go get something gluten-free. So off we headed closer to downtown Girona in search of this magical gluten-free bakery. The streets were pretty empty and everything seemed to be closed since it was Sunday, but our hopes weren't completely lost until we got there. Oh, it's closed.
It's closed. Oh, well, there's the bridge. We might as well just go.
Okay. Guys, if it's Sunday, don't come to this place. You'll waste your time. After a disappointment, it was finally time to head into downtown Girona. Crossing the bridge, we started to skim the surface of what made the city truly different from the others, but not before stopping by to get some amazing handmade gelato. With so many different flavors, it would be hard to choose. I wanted to say no to the temptation, but when you're in a country this close to Italy, gelato is always a must. How is it?
It's so good. You want to try?
No.
Tiramisu and stracciatella.
Wait, what is it?
Stracciatella.
Stracciatella, and what else?
Tiramisu.
After our quick little gelato break, we were back on the mission and into the streets towards downtown Girona. Still early, there weren't that many tourists around, letting us explore the city like we were the only ones there. The architecture was really medieval, and my favorite was the secluded alleyways leading us further into the unknown depths of Girona. It almost felt like we had stepped back in time and were experiencing a city lost long ago. Still, it had its modern touch as we looked around and entered their quaint little stores. and they had everything from souvenirs to my favorite, which, you guessed it, food.